Question 1. Can't see your photos? Your frame data is being migrated locally for compliance. See a blue card? Choose one of these two migration methods. Method 1. Tap the Migrate Frame Region button. Select the photo frames you wish to migrate and tap Confirm. Select the target region and tap Confirm Migration. Method 2. By switching the login region, check the frame region at the bottom. Tap App Settings in the sidebar to log out. Tap Login Region in the top left corner to get started. Select the region where the photo frame belongs. Log in again to view your photo frames. Questions about migration? Contact us at support@arzopa.com. Question 2. Scan failed to bind? Scan the QR code. If regions mismatch, tap Loud Out. Automatically switch to the frames region. Log in again to view your photo frames. Question 3. Widget and sleep mode settings. Find the widgets in the settings menu, click Widget Display. Customize your view, show or hide content. Sleep mode settings, set your preferred power off time on the screen.